Hey guys, I'm Vincent aka Surrenic, and today I'm going to show you how you can go live in basically a few minutes by using Streamlabs Prime designs. Click the link down below for a discount, $9 off your first month. You can always cancel after your first month. You get $9 off and you can have a proper design for your stream and go live with a proper professional looking stream. Here we go. So as you can see, you start basically with a blank canvas. Your colors might be different because I have this one just to make it easy to look at. To install a theme when you have Streamlabs Prime, make sure to go to the link down below to buy it if you're interested in it, if this video makes sense and you think, okay, those are nice designs. Link is down below. But click on this button, the themes button. You get greeted by this screen. This screen shows all kinds of scene themes, and with these themes you can build your own stream layout fully. What we're going to do is we're going to just find something cool. Let's just go for champion. It's up top, it's up front. We click on that one, we load it in, and it loads itself into your OBS. This is all you have to do. Kinda, not fully. It says here installed and activated, and we're basically done. It also, I think, installed my alerts immediately. No, it didn't do that, so I will show you how to do that as well. The first thing you see is live scene. Live scene is basically the scene that you show when you're live. It's a scene that you show when you're playing games, have your face cam on, etc. But to do that, you need to add a few things to it, which one of them is adding your face cam. It's already a setup thing. As you can see, I clicked on the button of live overlay, and then you see webcam capture right here. You double click on that, and you click on your device. Your device might already show up. If it does, you're lucky. Otherwise, you need to select the right one in your settings. I don't have my camera ready now because I'm using it right now to record this video. So what we're doing is I'm picking my setup camera behind me. My Camlink 4K is connected to that. And you see it's out of proportion. So what we do is we drag it smaller. And if you want to move it precisely, use your keyboard arrows. And then make it bigger again a bit. It's not too precise. It's not important now. But when you want to go live, make sure this is properly sized. There's still some open corners in the corner, and done. We have the webcam set up. You can move this if you want to by itself. Make sure to select it all and then move it at once. Otherwise, you just take one by one, and it's a lot of effort. Second, you have your labels of latest follower and latest subscriber. Those are already done. You don't have to change anything about them. It just is literally something that Streamlabs loads in for you. You can even change it if you want to have it the donator or the higher bits, etc. But for me, I have it on follower and on latest sub. Latest sub is the right one. Follower is the left one. And it's already basically set up. After that, you have your alert box where your alerts will come in. After showing all this, I will show you how to install the alerts fitting to the theme that you just picked. Because almost every theme also has the same alerts added to them, but you need to just install them separately. That's something I will come back to in a little bit later in the video. Game capture is basically what we discussed in the last video. It's something that captures the game that is currently live full screen on your PC. I don't have a game running, but it should pick up automatically. Modded Minecraft and Valorant, for example, might have some issues, so you might want to put it on capture any full screen application or go for the display capture right here, screen capture. Display capture, excuse me. That will just capture your display and always capture anything on it. So keep in mind, everything will be shown on that screen. But this scene is basically done. We have it set up. We have it done. We can go to the next one. The starting soon scene should be completely finished as well. You have a beautiful intermission immediately. It's all pre-installed. You have the stream is starting and you can change some things in another setting. And you can see here social media. And you can see the button social media here as well. Click on that. See the transition. You have 4 social media options here. We go to 1. And you see that it's now just a logo picked. But you can go to custom icon and pick whichever you want to show. Let's go to Instagram. Then change the username. Double click on that. And just type your Instagram username. Mine is Surrenic.tv. And you're done. And it now says Instagram Surrenic.tv. Number 2. Let's make it YouTube. And we type username Surrenic, and we're done with that. You have Surrenic as your YouTube, and you can do that with the rest as well. But as you can see, if I go back to my starting soon screen now, after the transition is done, you can see that it also changed it here. Surrenic.tv and Surrenic YouTube. The other two are still the same because I didn't change them. It's all going through the other scenes. So if you change this one, you have it immediately set up in your other scenes. Same with the Be Right Back probably. It also shows social media. So Surrenic.tv and Surrenic on YouTube, taking a short break. You have the intermission, which is just basically your BRB screen. Then you have intermission, which is basically your screen that you can show when you're live. When you're waiting for the game to load, for example, when you're in the waiting lobby or you're taking a small break. And you can see that my camera is already set up here, yet again, out of proportion. So let's put it into proportion a bit. And done. But what I want to give you a small tip. Swap these. Oh, my bad. Swap your camera with your game capture. In your intermission, it's important that you can talk with your viewers, that you can talk with the people that are watching you, that you can interact with them, discuss some things, etc. So what I like to do is switch these two around. So your face cam is the center point. You are the center point of your own stream. And the game is just an extra. The game still is visible. They can still see that you're, for example, waiting to load in the game, that you're in a queue, etc. Or that you might look something up in a small. But you can change this the way you like. And I like a bit more that I'm the center point because it's my stream, of course. So people can still watch me. In the stream chat, this over here will show chat box. And people's chats will show in there. You can drag it a bit to the left or right or change some stuff. Right click on it and you can see how it would look. For example, look, is he live right now? Mine is a bit different because I have a plugin installed, which makes it a bit different looking. But for you, it will probably be just basic. But you have this set up. As you can see again, social media shows here. And over here, you see some more labels. Follower, subscription, donation, and bits. You can move them a bit if you don't like the placement. Just use your keyboard arrows to be precise. And you should be basically done. You have your stream ending scene, which is just basically ending with your, again, your social media icons. And you have an extra scene. This is different. Not every theme you install has this, but this one is just so you can pull the link here. Basically, Control-C, go to your files, place it into your file, and you will be greeted with immediately this one. By doing that, you can find this in your documents and then upload it to YouTube for when you're offline. So you have an offline screen on YouTube. That's all up to you if you want to do that. It's just added in so you can have it. You can also switch these two so you have your offline as your ending screen. But it's all up to you how you like that. To make sure your mic is set up properly, go to settings, go to audio and select your mic here. Select your game sound here. So probably your PC sound, your system sound, and your microphone here. So example, this is my microphone, but I don't need to set it up because I'm not using this right now. And you're done to go live, but you don't have your alerts set up yet. To set up your alerts, you go back to themes. And remember, we picked the esports champion theme. So we're going to look that one up again, which is here. And we're going to see if we're lucky or not. And we are. You see at the bottom, esports champion alert box. You click on that. You'll be greeted with this page. Click on the widget, select all, and install. It will install, and it will load into OBS. And now those alerts are also in your stream. Let me show you. We're going back to our live scene, and as you can see, if I test my alerts now, which is, if it doesn't show up here, test widgets, and you see follow, subscription, donation, bits, and host, you click on that, and boom, you got alerts. They work. They are the same kind of design, and you're done. Subscription works. Surrenic, this is a test. Subscription. Donation works. This is a test donation. And bits work. This is a test bit alert. And hosts work. And everything else that is a thing, like rates and such, also work. If you want to change them, just go to Streamlabs, a web page, and you can add, for example, TTS sound. So if someone donates, you can hear the TTS read out their message. But you are able to go live with a proper design, with a proper professional looking stream instantly. Hey guys, Surrenic from the future here. Basically just Surrenic from an hour later while editing this video. Make sure to check my previous video as well. After you check this video, before you can go live, you need to have your settings properly set up so your PC doesn't get too overloaded, etc. So check out my last video. I discuss everything about setting up your whole stream, but you already have your designs if you watch this one first. So check this video first and then go to the other one to set up your stream itself. And then you can basically go live in less than an hour. Thank you. Bye. It's $9 for your first month if you use the link down below, and you can always cancel it after. And you will keep your design. Keep that in mind. You will keep it. And make sure to check it out. Link down below. And all I can say now is good luck with streaming. Make your dreams come true. And hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.